Welcome to the brand new flowers. We have got 4 different varieties and these are all your 3-dimensional flowers. So you've got your peonies, that lovely one at first, that lovely peony one. We've then got the gorgeous roses. Now I have to say the roses are beautiful. We've then, but saying that, rather partial to the poppies as well. And then last but not least, we've got the beautiful daisies in there as well. Now you're getting loads of dies in this collection and they're all going to cut out beautiful little flowers. So we've got the daisies, we've got the peonies, we have got the poppies, yeah, and last but not least we have got, which one's this, the rose. Yeah, now you are getting a tremendous amount of dies in here. They literally just fill the A4 magnet. They're absolutely chock-a-block. Okay, I'm going to show you some examples before we go any further, because look at that, it's beautiful. All those flowers are made out of paper. They're just inked and then twizzled and twisted and embossed. They make the most beautiful flowers. Gorgeous for the top of your boxes, for example. And oh, I do love this one. Look at that. It's absolutely tremendous. I mean, the detail that is on there, even down to the little seed heads. It's beautiful. Now you can make them in single form, double form, triple. You can put as many petals in there as you want. Now our lovely Angela has made up these little flowers. So these are the roses. So that one there has got 6 different tiers on. That's got 6 tiers on, but it's the second size down. So you can see how gorgeous 3D these flowers are. And the other one that's in there, that's 6 in that one. And that's got 2 of each, so 2 of the small ones and 2 of the large ones in there. So you can really start to see the impact that you can get on your, say, your boxes, your cards, your packaging and everything else. But they are so easy. So I've got some cut out here in my little bag of goodies, so I can show you how to start to do these. So I've got loads of different ones cut out. So let's take the big ones first. We'll do those ones secondly. So your best friends are going to be the floral tool set. So your floral tool set, you get 3 different size embossing tools. You also got your mat and your reversible tweezers. So I'm going to use the big ball tool first. I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to give it a squiggle in the middle. Yeah. So literally go round and give each one of those petals a little twizzle on the back side. Now if your card is starting to pull on your embossing tool, if you've got a little wax block, you can use a little wax block. If you've got a soap, you know, the soap bars that you buy, or just down the side of your nose, that's the oiliest part of your face, so just make sure you've not got any makeup on, but down the side of your nose, and you're just going to give that a little twizzle. That one's now got complete with foundation, but hey. So let's just give all those a little twizzle on the back side there. So that's one set. We're going to go down a size now. So we're going to take these ones out and always on the back, yeah, to actually bring it up. Okay, so we're just literally bringing those petals into, let's turn that one over as well. Bringing it in like so, and that one as well. So once you've done them in one direction, flip them over and give them a twiddle in the middle again. So that's going to now bring the petals up. You can see how those petals are going to start to jump up in the air. Okay, so let's make that tier first, so that tier can be going off. So I would normally use hot glue, but in this instance we're just going to use normal adhesive, and we're just going to stagger the petals. We're just literally crossing those petals over so they all interlink into each other. So that is going to be part of it. So we're just going to leave that there to dry. Bring the larger ones in now. Squiggle in the middle, like so. And then we're going to do that one. A little bit of glue. Stagger those petals. like so. And that one onto there. So I'm going to put that one to one side to dry now. And we're going to bring in the smallest ones now. So the smaller ones are going to be our bud in the center. So literally again, just pull it in from the outer edge to the middle. So then other two, outer edge to the middle. And this is going to allow you to be able to create a little bud that's going to sit in the middle. So take your adhesive now. We're just going to put the adhesive up those outer edges of that petal. And you're going to bring them all in to the center, like so. And you're just going to hold it for just a couple of minutes, okay? So while that's doing that, I can then just get some more adhesive on those so that can start to go off a little bit. It'll just go a little bit tacky, like that. So just giving it a nice helping, but not too much. So hopefully that'll have taken. Yep, so now we can build this center up. So now bring those center buds up into the middle, like so. Bringing each and every one to the center. It's going to start to create that little bud in the middle. Next one in there. They're all going to stick to each other. So I'm just going to hold that while I try and do the other bit at the same time. So now this is all stuck together. A little bit of glue in there. We can stick that one in the middle. It's like just hold it, keep it there. So just a minute. Then we're going to put the center into there, like so. Just hold that for just a momento and just release them out just a little bit. And just if you just squash that middle just a bit, there you've got that beautiful three-dimensional flower in there. As I say, you can put as many in there as you want, as few as you want. You can do them flat, you can do them 3D. It's entirely up to you. But then of course you've got all your foliage that will go behind them as well.